Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel AM Gravis. I am Olorunwa. I'm reaching you live from Lagos, Nigeria. In today's tutorial, I will teach you how to start arbitrage business with Kiakia app or site. You can buy dollar, euro, pounds by depositing Naira to Kiakia account for exchanges, dollar, euro, pounds, and make a lot of profit. Our main lecture is to teach you how to get original Kiakia app and register. After you register, I will teach you how to get the app and register. After that, the video will be divided into parts. The next video, I will teach you where to search for dollar without any stress and exchange it and make your money, make a huge profit. If you are not subscribed to the channel, kindly do so, because I will make sure I finish this arbitrage business before moving to another sector of new video. Let's get the tutorial started now. You go to your Google. From your Google now, you can type kiakiafc. So it's loading now. So this is the app. If you are using PC, your laptop or other thing, what you need to do is to, you just have to start here. You register directly. If you are using your PC, you register directly. But in this situation now, I want to teach you how to get the main app. The main app here is to come to the Google. You can see the Google Play here. So by the time you click on the Google Play Store, sorry for that one, by the time you click on the Google like this, just click on the Google like that. Okay, it's loading now. So as you can see, if you want to follow the Google Play Store, you can see where to download. You can see where to download it. You can download it from this place. You can download from this place. That is the install. But if you are using Android and you want to download, you can also open in a Play Store. Maybe you want to, you have Play Store on your phone. You can open it in your Play Store. So this place is where you will click, and that is where I will do now. I will click this place and it will direct me to my Google Play Store. So after getting to this side, the next thing here is to open. Why open is because I have already downloaded it before. So just open with Kiakia Express. I have opened it now and I want to register. So this is how you register. So you want to register now, you can come down to this place. You can see the register here. So you click on the register. Now this one now is telling us that is it individual or business. Is it individual or business? The first, what you're supposed to do here, whether you use it for, but for me, I will use individual. So you can click individual. So after the individual, you can start providing your details, individual information, first name, by putting your first name. So the last name, you put the last name also there. So after you fill this, you click on the next. So that is the next. You click on the next. So you have to allow it to pop up. So you have to wait for the verification. So a verification code has been sent to the email address. Kindly provide it to proceed. So you wait and you now go to our email to check the verification code. So guys, the email has arrived. So let us verify the account first. So the OTP is 3722. Okay. So you can see after I register, so before your device can also be registered also, you have to send another code in order to register with your device. Okay. Okay guys, this is the device code. So we have to copy this one and take it to the app in order to register our device. Okay. So you now press OK. So the device registers successfully. Proceed on to login now. Now we can log into the app. So you can see this one, all this setup, you have to do it. I want to do the biometric by using my fingerprint. No. All right. Okay. Now, this is the app, and you can see the conversion in this app now. You can see this one. This is the conversion. Let me show you very well. You receive 50, and then the $1 is 590, and then you have to pay 29,500 Nigerian. So let's move down to this place. You can see the buy. So guys, that is the conversion of that 50 to $1, 595. But let me explain this. This is the dashboard now. Under this dashboard, you can see dashboard here. So this is the dashboard. Total transaction is 0. And aside from this, we move to the marketplace. I'm explaining this one after the other so that you understand what I mean by this app. This is the marketplace now. So let me place the marketplace. You can see that we have buy, we have sell here. So in this app, we buy, and we sell. But you have to deposit to this account first before you can buy dollar, euro, and sell it with a lot of profit. Now we are moving to wallet. So this is where I will explain things better for you here. You can see this place, that is what we call by wallet. So let me move to the wallet now, and you can see that wallet balance is 0. So there's no money in this wallet account. Now the account is Nigerian. Look at this area. You can see this place is a Nigerian Naira. And then what to do here is that you can also change this to US dollar. You can change this to US dollar, or change this to pounds, or you change this to euro. You can change it. Aside from that, and if you want to fund your account, you comes to this place. You can see the form wallet. Now when we press this one, now you have to select what currency. This one now you have to select Nigeria, because you want to transfer from your Nigerian account to this Kia app, and you select foreign currency. After that one, can also select this one also, and fund amount. So we put the fund amount there and the remarks. So remarks is optional. So, and then if you want to use debit card or bank transfer, so if you want to use debit card, you can use debit card. If you want to use fund transfer, but for me, I use debit card. I use debit card. So let me show you here. So by the time you use debit card, it's because I have not supplied any information concerning this place. That is why this is not okay. Let me show you. Let me use Naira also, and then here let me just write 50,000. You know, remarks is not even necessary, so that the remark is not even necessary. You can see it bring it now. It's because I have not filled it before. That is why it just brought any. So this is 50,000 naira. You can see my email. My email is there, and then the 50,000 naira. So immediately I supply my card. Yeah, immediately my account has to be credited in this account. Immediately the account is being credited, definitely I will start up my arbitrage business by buying and selling, buying and selling dollar, without stress in your house. But my own here, I just want you to understand, you know, to understand what how to open and how to get the original app, so that it will be easier for you to start with the business. The next tutorial, I'm going to teach you where you can get dollar. You'll be getting dollar. I'll give you my strategy, the one I'm using. The strategy I'm using: forex. When I get the dollar, I pay forex, I transfer forex to this account and I use it to. I'll give you the strategy, and then if you are interested in forex, you get the app, you get the strategy, and then you'll be using it. You don't even stress yourself whether I have Naira, but we have to focus and follow my instruction. So that is for that. And all this area: profile, account, BVN, invoice, support, FK terms, legal, all this one, you have to read it and fill the necessary one. So, and then by the next tutorial, we move directly how to source for dollar to this account and use this account to start your arbitrage business without any stress. By doing this, forget about all online, how to make money online. You will be what? You will be rolling in money. So I thank you for your support. And last comment here, I thank the person that mailed me that I should make sure that I focus on one topic before I move to another one, because I have many topics, but I have promised you now, for this arbitrage work, I have to finish it up before I move to another topic. The next video, stay tuned. The next video will be how to get dollar, arbitrage dollar to this account and trade with this account by what? Selling and buying dollars to this account. No more video will come to us except this one. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and let us grow this channel together. Thank you and peace.